Alaikum rahmatullahi friends. The quote. Ahmad the shepherd was very sad. He had almost lost everything he owned during the terrible years of war. His wife had died, and he had also lost his son. When he lost his job in town, he began to work as a shepherd in the countryside. One day, as his sheep grazed near the road, he saw a group of people taking a young man to the hospital in town. It was obvious that this young man was even poorer than him. He was shivering in his thin jacket. Ahmad the shepherd immediately took off his own coat, which he had owned for years, and put it on the young man. As the young man was waiting in the hospital to be examined, he was surprised to hear someone calling him Dad. He looked up, but he couldn't recognize the young man standing in front of him. The later, who had called him Dad, was surprised as well. He apologized, saying, "I'm sorry, sir. I had mistaken your coat for my father's, whom I haven't seen for many years. I thought you were my father." The sick man asked him who his father was. After talking for a few minutes, he realized that the young man was the lost son of Ahmad the shepherd. He told the young man that he did not make a mistake, and that the coat had really belonged to his father. After being examined at the hospital, he returned to the village accompanied by shepherd Ahmad's son. How true is the saying of our beloved Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that every kindness will be rewarded tenfold. Tenfold means 10 times. Innal hasanata bi ashri amsalha. Friends, I hope you liked the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.